In this one, we are now going to finish up our look at marginal analysis with a look at a positive externality. We just looked at the negative externality. Now we're going to look at the positive externality. Again, the same learning targets apply, applying the golden rule for the private market and society. What policy can the government use to correct for the externality, and interpreting the graph and things as we've already said. So let's use vaccines as an example for something that carries a positive externality, a benefit that spills over onto people other than those that actually make and sell vaccines and those who actually are vaccinated. Again, the private market has its marginal analysis graph that looks just like what we've done before, and again taking into consideration just the benefits and costs that those buyers and sellers internalize, leads them to choose the quantity where the marginal benefit and marginal cost are equal to each other, and we've labeled that as QP. Now in this case, when we get vaccines, there is a positive impact on people other than those who are vaccinated. When we're vaccinated, not only do we keep ourselves healthy, but by being prevented from picking up the flu or something, we therefore don't infect other people. So we no longer are capable of making other people sick. So those people that come into daily contact with us are also benefiting when we're vaccinated. So how do we represent that additional benefit to society? So what I've done, I've drawn in here where society sees the benefit of vaccines. At every quantity, the individuals see the benefit of the vaccine as being at this level, and society says, no, it's actually up here, right? So we always draw the marginal social benefit above the private market's marginal benefit or demand curve. And again, they're going to apply, society is going to apply the same golden rule. Where does the marginal benefit equal marginal cost? But because the marginal benefit curve for society is greater than the private market, that point of intersection is going to be at a higher quantity QS than the private market arrived at on its own. Because again, those people making the decision about do I go get the vaccine or not, they're not, weighing all of the benefits that might fall onto those people who are around them. After all, they're the ones that have to take the time and spend the money to go get the vaccine. So how do we then get the market to align with this? Because in a case of a positive externality, what we find is that the private market is going to underallocate, right? It's going to underproduce. It's going to have a smaller number of vaccines than society actually wants. So we need to correct for that by using a Pigouvian subsidy. So again, as a summary, anytime we have external benefits or costs, external costs would be negative externalities, external benefits are positive externalities. The negative externalities, the market over allocates and overproduces. In the positive externality, the market is going to under allocate or underproduce vaccines. And since our marginal social benefit is higher, the way we get the marketplace to internalize those benefits is to provide this Pigouvian subsidy. And then that allows for a quantity closer to what society wants. If we can get them to internalize some of the benefits of vaccines beyond themselves, we move closer to the socially optimal quantity of QS.